Alright, so it is June 25th, 2:14 p.m. Video number 1217 has been uploading for, I don't know, maybe 2 hours now. So, go out of here, there, gallery. So 2017. Let's try here. Not that one. Now this one here is video number 2016, and you see double here. Doesn't have a number, but it's a double video, double upload. Save video, double upload. 131 degrees now. See, I have my home network here on the phone, but the computer will not join my home network. And there I am uploading at 12:06 p.m. I'm uploading video number 1217. So that's at 12:06, and the time now is 2:15. 2:15, and the video is I believe it is 7 minutes long. It is this one here. It is 8 minutes long. 8-minute long video. It's over 2 hours, and it is still uploading. All right, and this is life when you're being cyber stalked. And here it is. Video number 217, only 71% uploaded. There we go. Only 71% uploaded, and I'm going to stop recording now. Stop. And let me know before I do that how much power. Just want to double check something. Play it.
And I am disconnected from my network. Over there, and it says delete. See the double upload a minute ago.
Put in a fake sound on it as yet.
Right here.
No fake sound. Alright, and so let me check gallery. So I've already said it started at 2:06 p.m. when the power was at 53%. So 53% power, and the power right now is at 20% power. All right, 53 and 20% power, and it's still not uploaded. %% power left, and the 8-minute video is still not uploaded. So the last video uploaded is 6 minutes and 50 seconds. 6 minutes 50 seconds. Alrighty. Alright. So anyways, there you go. And I am it's 19% left now, and I'm going to stop recording now. Stop. And oh yeah, and one more thing. So I have my home network, and the stalker will not permit access to my home network on my MacBook Pro. That's been recorded, and the U recorder, just like QuickTime, have a live connection. Tap on done, and now I'm going to say